Hello students, welcome back to my channel. The topic for today is Directive Principles of State Policy. In this topic, we will discuss about the responsibilities of the state towards its people. There are 6 major principles. I put all of them in simple sentences so that you all can remember better. Number 1. The state is responsible for common good and to give life of dignity to its people. Further explanation for this point is, it is the responsibility of the state to inform all the institutions about justice. It can be social, economic, or political, and also inform about the national life. It should strive to secure a social order in the state. It should strive to minimize inequalities in income and inequalities of status among people and groups. It should also make sure to eradicate differences of facilities and opportunities among people and groups of different backgrounds and vocation. Policies should be made towards securing adequate means of livelihood for all and equally. There should be proper distribution of ownership and control for common good. It should also make sure to prevent child abuse and facilitate the children to grow healthy with freedom and dignity. Point number 2 is maintaining the sphere of law. The state should ensure that the legal systems promote justice. It should provide with equal opportunity to all and free legal aid through suitable legislations, schemes, etc. The state should also make sure that citizens are not denied of opportunities on the basis of their economic, social, cultural, or any other differences or disabilities. It should aim to secure uniform civil code to all its citizens. It should also take measures to separate the judiciary from the executive in the public services. It should also take steps to organize village panchayats and to give them the necessary power and authority to function as self-government. Point number 3. Responsibility of the state in economic sphere. The state should make provisions for securing right to work, education, public assistance in case of unemployment, old age, sickness and disablement, and in cases of undeserved want. The mission of the state should be to fulfill the promise of universal right to work, if not, then social insurance. The state shall work towards raising the level of nutrition and standard of living of people. An improvement of public health should be among its primary duties. The state should also prohibit consumption of intoxicating and harmful drugs except for medical purposes. Point number 4. The responsibility of workers' rights. The state should make sure that the workers have good working conditions and women should get maternity relief. The state shall ensure a living wage to all its workers in all the sectors. State should also promote cottage industries in rural areas. It should also take steps to secure the participation of workers in undertakings, establishments, and management in any industry. Fifth responsibility of the state is towards the children and the weaker sections. The state is directed to provide for the children from 10 to 14 years of age. The state shall take charge of educational and economic interests of the weaker sections of people, especially ST/SC. It should protect all from social injustice and from exploitation. Last but not the least, the responsibility of the state towards its agriculture and environment. The state shall aim to develop agriculture and industry with modern and scientific approach. The state should protect monuments, places, objects and other such things which are of historical and national importance. It should protect it from destruction, disfigurement, removal, disposal, export, or any harm. It should protect, improve, and safeguard the environment, forests, and wildlife. That's all for this topic. I hope you all have understood. If you all have any questions, please comment them below. I will try to answer them. Thank you.